Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make cheesy vegetables in delicious sauce. Let's get started. Heat your kadhai or pan and add around 3 to 4 teaspoon oil. To the hot oil, add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Fry at low to medium flame till the raw smell of ginger and garlic is gone. Next, we need tomato puree. So here I've got tomato puree made from 2 medium to big size tomatoes, but first I'm adding a little amount of it. This would make sure that our red chili powder does not burn. I'm adding 2 teaspoon red chili powder. You can add Kashmiri or Pyadki for more color and less heat. If you're using your regular hot red chili powder, reduce the quantity of red chili powder. Add the remaining tomato puree, a little water, salt to taste. Later we'll add more salt as per the amount of vegetables. Cover and cook the sauce at low flame till oil separates from the side. Keep stirring in between, otherwise your sauce or your gravy would stick to the bottom of your kadhai or pan. Once the oil separates from the sides, add around 1.5 teaspoon mixed Italian herbs, or you can add desi tadka and add garam masala or your favorite masala. Next, I'm adding half cup zucchini, half cup sweet corn, half cup red bell pepper and 1/4 cup yellow bell pepper. You can replace these bell peppers with capsicum, 3/4 cup broccoli, 1 small sized potato, salt to taste. You may add your favorite vegetables, replace a few of these vegetables with your favorite ones or the ones which are available to you. Add a little amount of water and cook the vegetables. Make sure you do not overcook the vegetables, there should be a slight crunch. These veggies are ready. Next, I am transferring these into a skillet, but instead of skillet you can use your cake tin or any baking tray. Add a slice of cheese. You can also add grated processed cheese cube, or you can add more cheese slices. Next, I'm adding mozzarella cheese. So you can make a layer of mozzarella half cup to 3/4 cup, or maybe less than that. A little sauce on top. You can see the kadhai or cooker instructions on the screen, but today I'm going to bake this in my OTG. I've preheated my OTG at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, and next I'm going to bake this for 10 to 12 minutes. You may drizzle some extra virgin olive oil. This is totally optional. Some chopped fresh coriander. You can have these vegetables just like that or with bread or roti if you want. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!